puso.
Oo.
Yan.
Kinakabahan ka ba, te?
Basta maging
A
makatotoo tayo
little.
sa
It's
ating mga
natural to
sagot.
feel a little tense, but I can still manage.
Yeah. You can still manage, ha? Let's start. Pick a question. Sige. Para makapag-isip-isip ng maganda. Ayan. Given a chance to travel anywhere in the globe, which place would you like to go to and why? So kung bibigyan ka doon ng pagkakataon na makapaglibot kahit saan.
Sa buong mundo.
Oo. Kahit saan. Walang diferensya ang pera, te. Saan mo gusto at bakit?
Thank you for the question. Given a chance to travel anywhere in the globe, I would like to go to the Holy Land in Israel because I want to visit specifically the birthplace of our Lord God Jesus Christ, Bethlehem, and its most famous shrine, the Church of Nativity, because I want to feel the holiness of the places Jesus Christ had been to. And since I am in the Holy Land, I will grab the chance to pray and pray for my beloved country and for my fellow men, for us to stay stronger despite the crises and problems bombarding us all the time. That will be all. Thank you.
Very well said, candidate number 18.
Mukhang nag-research siya.
Oo. Thank
Did you
you
do
so
your research?
much.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Ako, saan ako pupunta? Ikaw, saan ka pupunta?
Ako, I would like to go to Africa.
Africa ka?
Yan.
Ako sa New York. Wala
Bakit
lang.
ba?
Gusto
Wala
ko
lang.
pumunta
Gusto mo lang-
doon.
Oh.
Iba lang. Next, tawagan natin si candidate number 14. How are you?
I'm feeling good.
Gaano ka good yung feeling good na yun? Walang nervyos, te?
Konti lang. Ho.
Do you speak Tagalog?
Yes.
Aha. Islang na islang si ate. Ate, get
Ayan,
your
sige.
question. Si Miss Kay, oh, hinihintay ko anong gagawin ko dito.
Okay.
Okay, at ang tanong ay, what is love? Practice lang, di ba?
Okay. What do you feel is the most challenging issue facing teenagers all over the world?
First of all, I would like to greet each and everyone a pleasant evening. Well, there are numerous challenges, or there are numerous issues that challenge our teenagers today. I believe, though, that juvenile delinquency tops the list. Juvenile delinquency tops the list. This millennium has witnessed an entirely different generation that frustratingly deviates from the
Ayaw
traditions.
pumayag ng airplane, sandali lang, dadaan daw muna siya. What is juvenile delinquency?
Juvenile delinquency. Yes.
Ano ba yung sinabi mo? Hindi ko talaga
I
alam
believe
yan.
that, like I mentioned, there are numerous issues that challenge our teenagers today. I believe, though, that juvenile delinquency tops the list.
Ano yan, te?
I'll tell you.
Later. Sige na, sorry. Go, go, go,
Let
go.
me answer the question. All right. This millennium has witnessed an entirely different generation that deviates. Wait, that deviates. Thank you for that. That deviates the traditions and the conventions. Oh my, thank you. Well, yeah. No. Like I said, it deviates the traditions and the conventions. Well,
What can you do to fight juvenile delinquency?
yes, let me explain. Yes. You know, juvenile delinquency, this is consequential to all other formidable issues like
That's correct,
drug
yes.
addiction,
Okay.
premarital sex,
Okay.
teenage marriage, abortion, among others. And that being said, I believe that our parents, being the heads of the families, must take responsibility to protect their children from these moral impediments and in turn lead them to a brighter future. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 14.
Thank you. Alam mo, meron akong word for the day. Juvenile delinquency. Hindi ko talaga alam, kaya ako tinatanong eh. Alam mo naman
Alam mo
ako.
kasi, hindi ka na juvenile.
Ako,
Kaya ka na-
juvenile ako. 16 pa lang ako, no?
Okay.
Yun pala yun, ano? Ang bongga ka lang doon, number 14.
Oo.
Ikaw na next, candidate number 9.
Asan ang number?
You're 9?
Number 9? Number 9. Yes.
How are you, candidate number 9?
Well, to tell you honestly, my heart's beating rapidly.
Uh-huh.
Just take it easy. Just be...
Pwede in Tagalog? Kasi baka hindi maintindihan ng kapitan. Galit.
Tumitibok yung puso ko na napagkabilis.
yeah.
Nang napakabilis. Bangga talaga sa Taguig. Parang kailangan may passport ka dito no? Pupunta ka dito, passport, dadaan ka sa immigration. Islang ang mga tao. Like, ano yan? Ano to, te? Question mo? Ayan. Napakabilis. Basahin mo. Napakahaba. Nang tanong.
The internet has made the world a smaller place, connecting people and bringing people of different races together. Are you open to internet dating with someone halfway around the world, and why?
Good evening, and thank you for that question. I would say no. I am not open to internet dating, even though it's halfway around the world. Because we all know that internet nowadays, although it has advantages, it also contains disadvantages, risks, and dangers. So I'd rather go dating with somebody personally than go on the net. So I'd say definitely no. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 9.
Ay, ako yon. Go lang ako. Internet lang naman. Chat-chat lang kami doon.
Thank you,
Thank
candidate
you.
number 9.
Ikaw ba nag-internet dating ka?
Hindi ako marunong mag-internet eh.
Ay. Ako marunong. Oy, I'm proud.
I
Marunong
don't
ako
have
mag-MS-DOS, no?
Hindi ako, wala akong oras
Lumang-luma talaga yung
Wala
alam.
akong oras mag-chat sa internet.
Oo, ako. Huwag ka mag-alala, dalawa tayo.
Okay.
Next, candidate number 17. Sabi ni Miss Kay, ano lang daw ako, mellow lang daw ako. Kasi pareho na kami ng anak. Are you okay?
Please
Yes.
get it.
May boyfriend ka na?
Wala.
Uy! Sinungaling. Diyan nanay mo na.
Yes.
Sabi ka na nga ba? Mat, asan ang nanay? Taga-barangay ano ka? Wawa.
Barangay
Asan nanay
Wawa.
nitong batang to? How old are you?
18.
18. Saan yung nanay nito? Yun ang nanay mo? Parang hindi mo kamukha. Okay, your question?
Ayan.
Ang aga ng karma. Mayor, may lumilipad na UFO. Bongga talaga ang Taguig, no? Kailangan ng passport, may UFO pa. Bongga, parang ibang nasyon na ito. Ito ang iyong question. In your opinion, what should be the qualities of the proclaimed winner of Mutya ng Taguig to make her a world-class beauty? Ay, gusto mo ba Tagalogin ka? Wag na, hirap eh.
Gusto ko muna pong batiin ng isang magandang gabi ang lahat ng bawat isa po sa inyo. Para i-proclaim po na World Class Beauty Queen ang mananalo na mutya ngayong gabi, ay kailangan po siya maging responsable, honest, at syempre rin po, kailangan maging matalino. Yun po. Thank you.
Salamat, candidate number 11.
Thank you. Miss Jill Beckingham, did you understand that? No? Oh, it's okay. You don't miss anything. Our next candidate, candidate number 13. Wow. Sino gumawa ng gown mo?
June Marcelina po.
Maganda. In fact, kinakabahan ka ba?
Konti po.
Hindi
Okay.
halata sa gown.
Oo nga, relax ka lang, te.
Yeah.
Alam, ang lamig
Okay,
ng kamay
relax ka
mo.
lang.
Oh, kanina ka pa dyan, ha? Kayo naman, favorite niyo ako, eh.
Oo naman.
Eto, madali lang to. Your question is, who do you feel is the best role model for young women globally and why? Sino ba yung bata na sa tingin mong, wow, andun, no? Leveling.
For me, she's not a young woman anymore. For me, it is Miss Lea Salonga. Because she's a very, very, very hardworking person. And because of her talent, he became very international. And not only personally, she also a model as a mother, as a good wife. And for me, I looked into her as a role model in our Philippines.
Kita mo ha, ang
Thank
sagot
you.
niya.
Alam mo, sana
Global.
sinagot mo Wilma Dacian, panalo ka. Tinan mo. Ang laki ng lamang mo kagad kung ako sinabi mo.
Wilma, global yung pinili.
Oo. Sino
Global.
ba pa aside kay Lea Salonga?